Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can install Microsoft Office 2024 Pro Plus on your system from official Microsoft website. This is a legal and genuine copy of Office 2024 Pro Plus you can get from Microsoft as a preview product. First, you need to visit this official Microsoft article. Link is in the description box. Microsoft has explained about this free Office 2024 Pro Plus preview product in this article. Kindly read this article as well as the license agreement. Before we continue, make sure you have uninstalled any previous version of Office, including Project and Visio app. Now scroll down or click on this link right here. Right-click on this Office Deployment Tool option and open this link in a new tab. Change Office Deployment Tool language if necessary, and then click on this download link. Once download got finished, don't run this tool yet. Create a new folder on the desktop. Now run Office Deployment Tool and select the new folder on your desktop you have just created. This process will extract some files on this folder. Delete this config file, except this setup executable file. Now come back to the article. Then copy this XML code from here. Once copied, come back to the folder on your desktop where you have the setup file. Here, create a new text document, and then paste the code in this text document so that we can edit this code. By default, this code will install Office apps, also Visio and Project app. If you don't want to install Visio and Project app, then delete these lines from this code, like this. Okay, now it's time to replace the PID key with the product key, which is also provided by Microsoft in that article. So come back to the article again, and then scroll down. Look for Make key, not the KMS key. Here's the MAK key. Copy this code and then paste it in the PID key option. Now save this code as XML format in the same folder where you have the setup file. Give your XML file a short and simple name so that it can be easy to copy and paste as command. For your understanding, click on this View tab option on File Explorer and then check this box, File Name Extensions, so that you can see the file extension for your files on the Windows File Explorer app. Now you are almost ready to install Microsoft Office 2024 Pro Plus on your system. One last time, open the article, then copy this installation command from here. Open the text document and then paste this command in the text document. Now you have to replace the example.xml file name with your own XML file name. Once you've done that, search for KMD on Windows Search. Right-click on the command prompt, and then choose Run as Administrator option. Now come back to the folder where you have both setup file and the XML file. Copy the file's path location from here. On the command prompt, type cd, then space, and then right-click to paste the file's path you have just copied in the early step. Then hit the Enter button. Okay, as you can see, we are now on the new folder location. Now copy the Office installation command from the text document, and then right-click to paste the command on the command prompt. Then hit the Enter button. Installation will start instantly. Kindly make sure you have a good internet connection and speed. Now you have to wait for a few minutes. As you can see, my Office installation is successful. That's it, you are done. Let's check the Office apps. First, we will test the Word app, so let's open it. Accept terms and conditions. Close the privacy policy notice. Congratulations, your Office 2020-24 Pro Plus installation is successful. Now you can enjoy full feature of Microsoft Office absolutely free. I hope you have found this video valuable. If yes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this one. Also, feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.